In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can delete voicemails on your iPhone. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Depending on whether you are using the classic layout or the unified layout, the interface might look slightly different, but the steps are almost the same. Once you open the phone app, you might land on the keypad tab. From here, switch to the calls tab so you can see your recent call history. From here, you may not immediately see the voicemail section, which confuses many users. To find your voicemails, tap the icon located in the top right corner of the screen. After tapping it, choose the voicemails option. Now your iPhone will display all the voicemail messages you have received on this device. If you want to remove a single voicemail, simply swipe left on the specific voicemail. When you swipe, you will see the delete option appear. Tap on it and the voicemail will be removed. Another way to delete a voicemail is to tap on the voicemail itself to open it, and then tap the trash icon to delete that message. If you want to delete several voicemails at once, there is a faster method. Tap the edit button in the top left corner. After that, select the voicemails you want to remove by checking them one by one. Once you have selected all, tap delete, and all the selected voicemails will be removed at the same time. However, there is one more important step. When you delete voicemails this way, they are not permanently erased yet. Instead, they are moved to a folder called Deleted Voicemails or Recently Deleted. To remove them permanently, scroll all the way down in the voicemail section and open the Deleted Voicemails folder. Inside this folder, you will see all the voicemails you deleted earlier. Finally, tap Clear All to permanently delete every voicemail stored there. After this step, those voicemail messages will be completely removed from your iPhone. That's how you can delete voicemails on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video.